Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the music in Adobe Rush. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to click on this plus icon. So as you can see, it has the plus icon. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, it has the option for the audio. So we have to click on the audio. So let's click on this, and after clicking on the audio option, as you can see here, you will be able to see all type of music, or if you want to search any kind of specific music with the name, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to play this. Let's see how does it work, and after that we are going to choose that which music we want to add. So I'm going to play this. So as you can see, this is the music. If you want to use this, you can also do that. So let's play this. So as you can see, I want to use this one. Simply I'm going to drag this audio here. Or if you want to click on, if you will click on the add, the audio will be also added. So let's click on the add, and as you can see, the audio is added. So I'm going to cut this one, and now let's cut this again, and now let's this cut again. So I'm going to cut this. As you can see, now we have to scroll down here. So as you can see, in this way you can add a music, and now I'm going to keep this here. And now if you want to make a split, you can also do that. Simply you have to click here. I'm going to play ahead, and now let's place the S, and now it's cut. I'm going to delete this one. So as you can see, in this way you can add the audio in your video. As you can see, now if you play, the audio will be also played. So as you can see, audio is also being played. So in this way you can add a audio or music file in your Adobe Rush file. So it's very easy to use. Simply you have to click on the plus, and you have to click on the audio, and then here from you have to select the audio, and you have to hit the add button, and the music will be added. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.